Hello and welcome back to my channel Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we'll try to understand what is a career goal, right? We all have career goals. We all should have career goals. But we use this term quite easily. But we need to understand the depths of the meaning of having a career, the importance of having a career, and how to choose a career and what goals you need to set for yourselves. All these things we'll try to understand how to achieve those goals, right? Because we may face so many challenges, like in the first place, setting a career goal itself is a challenge, itself is a big thing, it's a very big decision. And achieving those career goals is, I think you can understand the magnanimity of that uh, uh, importance or that achievement, because a career is something which is very crucial in anybody's life, because research has shown that an average person spends around 90,000 hours of one's life in doing what he has chosen to do for his career. So now I think you can understand the importance of having a career, understanding the importance of setting career goals, because you're going to spend 90,000 hours of your life working for your career. So, your career decision should not be a hasty one. It should not be done under the influence of others. Just because your friend has chosen some career, you should not jump into that. Just because your family member has suggested you something, you should not hastily. Do not take suggestions. Your decisions should not be hasty ones. Okay, those decisions regarding your career and your career goals should be based on much deliberation, much analysis, much thought process should go into that career decision. Okay, it should not be based on things like as I told you, like my friend has chosen something, my relative has suggested me something, and something is happening right now, some career is trending right now, or somebody is making lots of money in that particular career, or this job is close to my place where I live. These should not be the considerations while choosing your career goal. Your career goal should be based on, the decision should be based on lots of more and more much important steps or much important deliberations. Okay? Because your career is something what you envision yourself to be doing, say from 5 to 10 years from now. That is your career goal. That should be your career goal. You, whatever you want to do, or whatever, how you want to see yourself doing in 5 to 10 years from now, that we can say should be the career you want to choose, you want to enter into. Okay, and for that, what to set a career, what you have to decide is what direction you will be heading into. There are many career options, like based on your education, based on your passion, your interest. There are n number of career options, conventional and unconventional ones. And you have to choose, you have to select the direction. Is it something like, say, teaching or software or engineering or medicine or theater or arts or writing? What is that you want to, what direction you want to make your progress into? That is the first step you need to decide, which direction you want to go, because you cannot have multiple careers. You need to zero down to one particular direction, and for that you have to consider many options, you have to take suggestions from many people, and you have to put in your heart and soul into it. What do you want to what do you want yourself to be doing in, say, 10 years from now? What is your interest, your expertise? Based on those things, your qualifications also, based on those things, you have to decide the direction as a first step. Okay, and then you need to explain the steps you will take to reach that destination, because we cannot just jump to the final destination. We cannot take one big leap to the final destination. It should be a step by step process, step by step journey, right? And what steps are you taking? If you have chosen the direction to achieve that career goal, you need to take step by step process. If you want to achieve, say, if you want to be a doctor, for example, you just like that cannot become a doctor. You have to go through a certain process. You have to clear many stages to reach your final destination. Or if you want to be an entrepreneur, there are many steps before becoming a successful entrepreneur which you need to cross, or which you need to go through. You need to gain certain, maybe you want to work somewhere. You basically you want to get certain qualification for yourself, certain experience for yourself. You may want to try working for somebody. All these are little steps that you need to take, or that you need to go through to reach your final destination. And then you need to include the milestones or the stops before reaching your final goal. As I told you already, we cannot at once reach the final destination. We have to take little steps. We have to go through little achievements, and we need to cherish all those little milestones or little achievements what we make in our journey to reach the final career destination. You have to acknowledge each and every milestone that you achieve in the process, be it a small diploma you get, or be it a little experience you gain, or be it a little productive chat that you engage in with others, with other experienced people, or be it the networking you do, whatever be it, however small it is, you need to cherish that. You need to absorb that. You need to celebrate that, because all that together will make up your final goal. Okay, so basically this is how you need to start the career setting process. Okay, thank you.